Hey, hi everyone. So it's take a lot of effort to make such videos. So please like and subscribe. Starting with the first question. In CIDR notation, what does the /24 in an address like 192.168.1.0/24 represent? Option A 24 available hosts. Option B 24 bits used for network portion. Option C 24 subnet. And option D port number 24. So the correct option is option B. Moving to next question. Which property of database transaction ensure that once committed, changes are permanent even after a system failure? So the correct option is option D, durability. Moving to next question. Which SQL joins return all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table with nulls where there is no match? Option A inner join, option B left join, option C right join, option D cross join. So the correct option is option B, left join. Moving to next question. Which in a binary search tree for any given node, values in its left subtree are option A greater than the node, option B equal to node, option C less than the node, option D unrelated to the node. So the correct option is option C, less than the node. Moving to next question. The OOPS mechanism where a class acquires the property and behavior of another class is called A encapsulation, B inheritance, C polymorphism, D abstraction. So the correct option is option B inheritance. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not one of the four necessary conditions for a deadlock to occur? Option A mutual exclusion, option B hold and wait, option C preemption, option D circular wait. So the correct option is option C preemption. Moving to next question. Which port number is default for unencrypted HTTP web traffic? Option A 21, option B 25, option C 80, option D 443. So the correct option is option C 80. Moving to next question. Which SDLC model involves building a working sample early on to gather user feedback before full scale development? Option A prototype model, option B waterfall model, option C V model, option D Big Bang model. So the correct option is option A prototype model. Moving to next question. In Java, which keyword is used to handle an exception that might be thrown by a block of code? Option A throw, option B catch, option C import, option D class. So the correct option is option B, catch. Moving to next question. Which component of CPU is responsible for performing arithmetic and logic operation? Option A, control unit. Option B, arithmetic logic unit. Option C, cache memory. Option D, register file. So the correct answer is option B, arithmetic logic unit. Moving to next question. An attack in which a fraudulent message tricks a user into revealing sensitive information like password is called A, phishing, B, spoofing, C, sniffing, D, brute forcing. So the correct option is option A, phishing. Moving to next question. The decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number 2F is option A, 45, option B, 47, option C, 49, option D, 51. So the correct option is option B, 47. Moving to next question. A program that converts assembly language source code into machine code is called option A, compiler, option B, interpreter, option C, assembler, option D, linker. So the correct answer is option C, assembler. Moving to next question. Compared to an HDD, an SSD offers faster performance mainly because it option A uses magnetic spanning platter, option B has no moving mechanical part, option C has a larger physical size, option D requires more power to operate. So the correct answer is has no moving mechanical part. Moving to next question. A digital signature primarily helps verify which of the following about a message. Option A, its file size. Option B, its authenticity and integrity. Option C, its compress ratio. Option D, its transmission speed. So the correct answer is option B, its authenticity and integrity. Moving next question is testing performed on the smallest testable part of an application, such as a single function or method is called option A, system testing, option B, unit testing, option C, regression testing, option D, integration testing. So the correct answer is option B, unit testing. Moving to next question. Which system translate human readable domain names like www.example.com into IP address? The option A is DHCP, the option B is DNS, the option C is FTP, and the option D is SNMP. So the correct answer is option B, DNS. Moving to next question. A relation is said to be the first normal form when all its attribute values are foreign key, option B, atomic, option C, unique across tables, option D, numerical value, numeric only. So the correct answer is option B, atomic. Moving to next question. Which SQL aggregate function returns the total number of rows that match a given condition? Option A sum, option B average, option C count, option D max. So the correct answer is option C count. Moving to next question. A virtual private network VPN primarily provides user with option A faster internet speed, option B a secure encrypted connection over a public network, option C unlimited cloud storage, option D automatic virus removal. So the correct answer is option B, a secure encrypted connection over a public network. Next question is, which cloud service model provides ready to use software application over the internet such as web based email? Option A is yes, option B is PaaS, option C is SaaS, option D is DaaS. The right answer is option C, SaaS. Moving to next question. HTTPS secures web traffic mainly by using which underlying protocol for encryption? Option A FTP, option B is TLS/SSL, option C SMTP, option D is Telnet. So the correct answer is option B, TLS/SSL. Moving to next question. In a circular queue, when the rear pointer reaches the last position, it wraps around to option A, stay at same position, option B, the front of the queue, option C, the middle element, option D, an undefined position. So the correct answer is option B, the front of the queue. Next question is, which SDLC model develops a system through repeated cycle, refining it in a small portion each time? Option A, waterfall model, option B, iterative model, option C, Big Bang model, option D, V model. So the correct answer is option B, iterative model. Next question is, and the last one, requiring both a password and one-time code sent to a phone is an example of option A, single sign-on, option B, two-factor authentication, option C, role-based access control, option D, data masking. So the correct answer is option B, two-factor authentication. I hope you guys liked the video. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you.